This is the Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. I'm going to unbox it for you. I have previously unboxed it and taken some of the plastic out, so it's not going to look exactly how it was when I got it, but you'll get the gist. This is the back piece of it. This is the cover for the back piece and the batteries. Some of the smaller pieces that it comes with. Comes with a new key. I have rekeyed mine to match another key that I already have installed at this particular house that I'm installing this one in. This is the front of it. And then lastly, one of the keys and this piece, the actual deadbolt. I will do another video doing a review on it as well.